Hey, this is Scott. Today we're going to talk about Ekena Millwork's line of PVC medallions. Ceiling medallions have been around for centuries. Historically, they were made on the job and formed by a skilled craftsman out of plaster around the chandelier. And their intent was really just to highlight the chandelier and make it more beautiful. Today, we manufacture them out of urethane, out of carved wood, out of different species of wood. It's a beautiful product. We started manufacturing them in PVC because it allowed us the flexibility to make them in any size needed. A lot of times there's defects around the chandelier. There may be a hole in the drywall. We can make your medallion to the size that covers up that defect. We manufacture our PVC ceiling medallions in hundreds of different designs. We have quite modern designs, they're just square. We have some rounded designs. We have highly intricate designs, really cool product. When it comes to size, we can manufacture any size that's needed. We have standard sizes listed on our website that start at about 12 inches, go up to about 36 inches. But truly, we can manufacture this product in any size or design that is perfect for your project. Let's talk installation on this product. Again, with any product we manufacture, we always have installation in mind. We want it to be super simple for our customers. Installation is super easy. Basically apply a high-grade, high-quality urethane glue on the back side. You can apply it to your ceiling. You can use finish nails to hold it to the ceiling while the urethane glue dries. It's super simple. When it comes to finishing, you have freedom to finish this product with any color utilizing just a standard interior grade latex paint. On the other hand, we offer dozens of high quality, really cool custom finishes. But if you are going to finish it yourself, we highly recommend that you use 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint. We guarantee if you follow those instructions, you'll get a great finish. Here's a pro tip. In recent years, designers have used ceiling medallions for other applications. They've used them to accent a wall, or they've used dozens of them to create a wall texture. I've even seen where they've used ceiling medallions to make a clock or a mirror out of. It's a cool idea. Get creative with the product. If PVC ceiling medallions aren't right for you, we make them in a lot of different materials. We make them in urethane, in thermoformed PVC. We even make them in metal. So for more interesting and innovative products, check out our website or feel free to give us a call.